I got a tattoo on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, so we ended up going to the movies yesterday to watch Obsession. And I don't think I've ever been more disturbed from a movie in a while. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be more of a chill vlog. I'm honestly not doing anything. I am in a limbo right now because there's nothing I can do until the paperwork gets approved for me to start working. So I am not doing anything essentially. I do work a few hours each day, but that's it. And then I don't have to do any studying anymore. So I kind of just want to take you guys on a few days in my life where I essentially do nothing. I am starting this video a little bit later. It is almost 1. I have to go to work around 2 hours, 3 hours, still not sure when. But again, yeah, I just wanted to take you on a chill vlog. I'm not doing anything. And first things first, my boyfriend bought me a breville coffee machine, which is the coffee machine that I've wanted forever. And he got it for me kind of like a present because I passed my exam. So I am very excited. I'm going to unbox it now. But yeah, I do not know what this vlog is going to look like, but I did want to film something because I was starting to miss filming and talking to you guys and editing videos. So yeah, I don't know what it's going to be about, but I hope you guys enjoy. And let's unbox this coffee machine. My coffee corner right over here, but I do have to move all of that, and then I also have my dog food and stuff here, so I will move all of that and then just make that the coffee corner. Oh my god, this thing is so heavy. I'm not loving the idea of this being here. I'm not liking how it's looking. I might just move it over to that counter over there where it was, and we'll see if I end up liking that. This thing is honestly way too heavy, so I need to pick a spot and just leave it there. But I think I'm gonna do it over there. I'm liking that idea better. Okay, I am liking it better here. It was just looking very weird over there. So just gonna keep it here. When I do need to access this, I can just slide it in front and then just let it back. I will put all the syrups and sugars and all that here. What I want to do now is just read this and try to figure out how to work this monstrosity, which is very scary. It's very intimidating, but I am very excited. I've been wanting this coffee machine for years now, so I am very, very excited. I did keep the box and I am keeping the receipt just in case I don't like it and I do have to return it. I got a tattoo on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, so I can take the film off tomorrow, so I will do that on camera so you guys can see the final product. I will put a picture here of how it's supposed to look like, of how it looked like before we wrapped it, but it's so pretty. I love it. I will talk to you guys later. Power. No! Turn off. Good. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. I just made my coffee. It's actually pretty good. I will be buying the coffee beans today to see if that makes a difference. But yeah, it's good. I mean, there's nothing bad to say about it. We ended up going to the movies yesterday. We watched Obsession. And I don't think I've ever been more disturbed for my movie in a while. That movie was absolutely crazy, but I loved it. It was great. It was very well done. And honestly, 10 out of 10. But again, I have never been more disturbed in my entire life. But it was fun. Then we came back home and we just spent the rest of the night watching videos and just doing nothing, honestly. I woke up a little bit late today because I couldn't sleep yesterday. I went to sleep at 4 a.m. So I am running on 3 hours of sleep. But I was going to work out today, but my body is absolutely not having it today. I'm getting sick again. I was sick 2 weeks ago. I was coming out of it and now I'm sick again. I don't understand it. I don't like it, but we're just gonna roll with it. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing that I have to do until I have to get ready and go to work. So I think I'm just gonna play GTA 5. Again, I'm in the limbo state where I don't have really anything to do, and I guilt myself when I don't do anything productive, but I'm just gonna take this time to enjoy and not do nothing. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play GTA, drink my coffee. You got something to say to the cameras?
New drop today. Black Beach is dropping today.
Talk to the camera, not to me.